We are here today because it's a very proud day for Yego Mobility as we launch in Kisumu. We initially launched in Nairobi. We are all over the coast. We are also in Eldoret and Nakuru. We have over 25,000 drivers and taxis on our platform. Yego believes in being a fair, sustainable, and transparent both for the passenger as well as for the drivers. So we have a security feature as well as an SOS feature built in. So the security feature allows you to automatically send your ride details and the ability to live track your details to 5 of your chosen contacts automatically with every trip. You also, in addition to that, have the SOS button. Plus, we are also monitoring your trip from the back end to see if there is anything which is different than what you had intended. So if the route changes suddenly or there is a long stoppage, we automatically call you, the passenger, and we also speak to the driver. So we get alerts and we automatically alert. In case of a security incident or an accident, we are able to then send an ambulance or a security intervention team, that is a QRT team that would come there and resolve the situation.
We have been having other apps. We have Bolt, we have Uber, and this is the first app that have come to Kisumu officially and do a launching with the drivers. For the past few months, we had a case with our drivers. 4 drivers were attacked just within Kisumu. But for us to address security issue, we urge drivers not to go offline. Maintain your online so that the trip can be traced. Yeah. So for Yego, with their rates, it will enable drivers to do online instead of going offline. And it will enable even the client to be safe after booking a ride.